A share value equivalent to $6.2626 a coin. The present reach. $6.1160, $6.5531. The earlier day close. $6.3809. The change was 0.1183, 1.85%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $5.47. Greatest cost $8.11, least cost $5.17. The normal for the month $6.58. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $7.58, change for November 38.6%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at $7.58. Greatest cost $10.03, least cost $7.37. The normal for the month $8.44. A share cost figure toward the month's end $8.79, change for December 16.0%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $8.79. Most extreme cost $10.91, least cost $8.79. The normal for the month $9.67. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.20, change for January 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Before all else cost at $10.20. Most extreme cost $10.71, least cost $9.31. The normal for the month $10.06. A share cost expectation for WALK 2024. Initially cost at $10.01. Most extreme cost $10.01, least cost $7.82. The normal for the month $9.06. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $8.41, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $8.41. Most extreme cost $9.07, least cost $7.89. The normal for the month $8.46. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $8.48, change for April 0.8%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at $8.48. Greatest cost $8.48, least cost $6.84. The normal for the month $7.79. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $7.36, change for May 13.2%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $7.36. Greatest cost $7.36, least cost $5.93. The normal for the month $6.76. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $6.38, change for June 13.3%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at $6.38. Greatest cost $6.43, least cost $5.59. The normal for the month $6.10. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.01, change for July 5.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset cost at $6.01. Most extreme cost $6.01, least cost $4.90. The normal for the month $5.55. A share cost figure toward the month's end $5.27, change for August 12.3%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $5.27. Most extreme cost $5.27, least cost $4.28. The normal for the month $4.86. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.60, change for September 12.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. In the first place cost at $4.60. Greatest cost $5.71, least cost $4.60. The normal for the month $5.06. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $5.34, change for October 16.1%. A share cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.34. Greatest cost $5.34, least cost $4.28. The normal for the month $4.89. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.60, change for November 13.9%. Axie cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $5.43. Most extreme cost $6.36, least cost $5.43. The normal for the month $5.79. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $5.94, change for January 9.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $5.94. Most extreme cost $7.37, least cost $5.94. The normal for the month $6.54. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $6.89, change for February 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $6.89. Greatest cost $6.89, least cost $5.38. The normal for the month $6.24. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $5.79, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $5.79. Greatest cost $5.79, least cost $4.92. The normal for the month $5.45. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $5.29, change for April 8.6%. Axie cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at $5.29. Most extreme cost $6.57, least cost $5.29. The normal for the month $5.82. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $6.14, change for May 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. At the outset cost at $6.14. Most extreme cost $6.23, least cost $5.41. The normal for the month $5.90. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $5.82, change for June 5.2%. Axie cost expectation for July 2026. First, Axie cost figure toward the month's end $5.39, change for August 10.2%. Axie cost expectation for September 2026. Initially cost at $5.39. Most extreme cost $5.39, least cost $4.33. The normal for the month $4.94. Axie